Trini accent the entire time because I am in the Caribbean, okay? Yes. I don't think American accent sounds better than a Trini accent. Let me just get a.
Your American accent better than
Okay, that is true. I mean, compared to like what it used to sound like, and compared to Daddy's, I feel like mine is superior. Oh. But I never said my American accent was like better. Like, be real. Trini accent is the best. Okay.
Yes.
Me and Bay, say hi. We are in Sint Maarten or Sint Maarten. At this point, I still don't really know how to say it, but you get the drift. We out the country, okay? My birthday is tomorrow, hence all the balloons. And we just got to a hotel or resort or whatever, and we're about to settle in and get food because we have not had anything to eat all day, and our flight was at 6 a.m. So we've been up since 3, okay? No food. Huh? Well, I woke up at 3. They woke up at 2:30 to get some work done before we left. And we had a connecting flight from Houston to Atlanta for an hour. So there wasn't enough time. At least we thought so. There wasn't enough time for us to go get food because we just had an hour to get from one gate to the next. But whole time, we literally sat on the plane for an hour because it was delayed. Because there was a bunch of groups of people that were late. So, but anyway, I'm so excited. Let me give you guys a quick tour. Skims. It's given, okay? We have this big mirror, this bathroom. Okay. Bathroom, shower. Then bed. More mirrors, I love it. TV. Drinks. Safe. Little sitting area. Couch. And we have a swimmer, which I'm so excited about because I feel like we're still in the mix, you know. I'm gonna go settle in, get changed. So actually, I don't even think I want to change. I just want to get food. Huh? Yeah, I'm just gonna wear this and put some chapstick because my lips are crusty. Don't play watching me, so. You know I've been going through it with my lips. I've been having a legit that's yeah. But yeah, I've been having these allergic reactions since like last year. But of course they would want to flare up around my birthday. So my lips will swell up and be bruised and blistered and bleeding and stuff, skin falling off. Which is why they're white. So just please, you know, give me some grace. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later on when we actually get into some things. Martini me, please. Huh? I don't know. Let me see. The menu. This is it?
But it's also lunch.
True. I'll do. Gummy season waves for the world. Ew, grilled class up.
Yeah, I didn't know y'all came.
We have the same thing. Hey guys. Shit. I hit my shoulder on my back like 3 weeks ago. So I've been having like these, I have a muscle spasm. And it hurts so bad right now. I think it's from like all the moving and walking and carrying around my big heavy bags. I have muscle relaxers, but I can't take that right now because we're about to go out. And muscle relaxers, if you ever taken muscle relaxers, baby, that shit will have you out. knocked out in 10-15 minutes. Like, I took one this morning on the plane. I don't even know when I fell asleep. Like, I don't even know. We just kind of figured out what we were gonna do tonight or where we're gonna go. I had to kind of wet my curls a bit to bring it back to life. So yeah, I'm gonna go hurry up and get ready so we can probably leave in the next 30-45 minutes. And bring in my birthday. I'm so excited. I have no idea what I'm wearing because I really don't know what the dress code is like. And it's across the street, so I don't know if I don't know. I don't know if I should wear heels or flats because I didn't really bring, like, I have like 3 pairs of flats, like a white one, a black, I'm like 4. A white one, a black one, a blue, and like just regular like house flats that I wear like to knock about with. So because I ordered other flats from Shein, and none of my stuff got here. Actually, all of my clothes that I ordered for my birthday and for this trip, it literally just got to my house today while I'm here. It was supposed to get here like 2 days ago. So yeah, our flight was actually supposed to be yesterday, so I thought, well, okay, since I missed my flight, I could probably hold out and my clothes might get here in time. No, of course it gets to my house when I'm already out the country. So thankfully, I always buy stuff and don't wear them. So literally everything in my suitcase right now is stuff that I have not worn. The only thing that I've probably worn is like one swimsuit cover up. So yeah. So thank God that I had stuff just stashed away. See, ladies, sometimes it's not a bad idea to just randomly buy clothes and just, you know, just leave it there. So because it came in handy today. So anyway, I'm gonna go figure out what I'm wearing and we'll be on the road. All right, guys, so let me just put my camera to charge and everything so I could vlog, because I'm vlogging. Okay, I'm vlogging. So we're currently on our way to We Lounge. We Lounge. It's across the street from the resort, so we don't have to go too far. And they close at 1. And it's currently like midnight, so we have 1 hour to turn up. And it is already my birthday, so happy birthday to me. A bad bitch is getting old, you feel me? But we outside. Okay. Oh, baby, you know I gain old weight. I said, you know I getting old. Wait.
Oh, yes, yes.
Thank you.
Shorty love the way that I flow side. Frequency up, then I know my dog's out. Mama said no pussy catches some.
I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking online, you fake ass hoes. Fake ass shoes with your fake ass hoes. I'm gonna fake ass with you fake ass hoes. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up.
Good morning, guys. It's day 2. Is this considered day 2 or it's day 1?
This day too.
Day 2, okay? Day 2 of St. Maarten or Sint Maarten. I still don't know how to say it. I'm up. It's my birthday today. And we're about to go for breakfast and probably walk around the resort because we didn't get a tour, so we don't know where a lot of stuff is at or what there is to do. So we're gonna just go eat, take a tour. Oh babe, don't forget this laptop.
Oh,
Eat, take a tour, and then come back and figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I was playing games with you, but now it's over.
Good morning.
Oh yeah. Hello, motherfucker, what you know about me? How they do, nigga? Ooh, what you know about me? Give a fuck what you heard, what you know about me? Hold up. Yo, bitch look good, what she know about me?
This little just take a shit. I just walk off.
You never been at this song before.
I just not nothing.
Know about me? Okay, is she ready? I'm a scooper. You ain't know I used to drive the Uber. Clocking 99 at the grind. Money only thing on my mind. But if a girl wanna go, then I'll make some time. Yeah. My mama said I'm the one, she should go sunshine. Yeah. I hit my mama up, I said it's lit for sure. For sure. Yeah. These bitches hit me up and they get ignored.
We just got done getting full body massages, and oh my gosh, it was so relaxing. Like, so relaxing. It was ridiculous. I was falling asleep. Ooh. I was falling asleep like every 2 seconds, to the point that I was like, you know when you sleep sometimes and you jump, like when you get in a deep sleep, so you jump. I was doing that multiple times. It was so relaxing. Highly recommend. Look at our little area. We did an outside massage. Down. What's not happening? You see beach. And while we were coming in, the plane was coming in. It was a great experience. So, we're going to the beach? Yeah, so we're going to the beach now. Stay for maybe like an hour or two, chill for a little bit, and then go back to our rooms and get ready for the night out. We can't go as late as we did yesterday, because when they say they close at 1, they really mean 1:45. 12:45. They was shutting shit down, okay? It was like, okay, kids, time to pack up. Literally, they turned the lights on, shut the music off. There was no fade to back. They shut the music off. I was like, kids, the security guards was like, kids, time to go. So we can't afford to go as late as we did yesterday. So, ooh, speedboat. You hearing something? I hear like somebody going psst, psst. Let me go from here. Next to this fucking joke. I am Trini. We don't like to hear noises coming from the bush, auntie. Huh? That's what we were called bush. Yeah, it's a tree, but like you can't see anything. You can't see that as a tree. Stop arguing with me. I hearing something going psst, 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 psst. A birds don't go psst, psst, psst. You feel? I not taking no chances. We ain't come to St. Maarten for no jumbie to get me on my birthday, on my vacation. So absolutely not. Let me finish my drink and go movie. Look what they got me. Isn't it cute? I don't even want to cut into it. Guys. Wow.
But now it's over. Pull up in that train on you. Oh, yeah, it's over. You know it ain't a thing, don't you?
To the back, 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 to the back. Good night. Hello. We are going to dinner at one of the resorts. The resort restaurants called Lobster. No, Lava Rock. Lava Rock. So we're on our way there. And then we're trying to go to this place called Moxie's, but it's off the resort. And then this place called District District 712.
721.
721.
It's legs.
So that's what?
It's legs.
Shut up. What about suicidal? You don't care.
You still have dyslexia.
But yeah, so we're gonna go to the restaurant. We kind of running late because I had to get pictures, you know. So yeah, let's go, y'all.
Overnight,
Pretty butter. See how little listen? You see how man don't listen? Let it tell you.
Eat the big. Shut up and eat the
Isn't
big.
isn't Best thing I could have did was teach this man a few slangs, a few words. He will not shut up. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. My birthday was yesterday. And I had a great time, but I am so burnt out. Like, I'm exhausted. I just want to sleep. But we did not come here to sleep. Did we?
Wait a little bit.
Not during the day. Sleep when I go back to Houston. Anyway, we went to dinner. Then we went like on the strip, and we went to this bar or whatever called District 721. It was a different vibe, like the music and stuff. It was like a mix of Caribbean beats with like Caribbean songs with what do you call that? Is that techno? Yeah, with like a techno beat. It wasn't bad. Like I actually didn't mind it. It was different, but it was cool. However, it was so packed because they had like their Halloween party or event last night. So it was super super packed. Like barely anywhere to stand. If you stand in one spot, people pushing you left and right to get past to go wherever they're trying to go. And it was so hot. And I had an allergic reaction earlier this week. So I have like a rash right here. And you know, rash and heat doesn't mix well, so it was very uncomfortable. I was itchy, it was sticky, it was like, ugh, I was just yucky. And mosquitoes was tearing your girl ass up. Like I have mosquito bites every single way. Like my butt is covered in mosquito bites. My thighs are covered in mosquitoes. So it was just uncomfortable, but I do recommend it. It's a nice place to go to, at least from what I experienced. I had one drink because, like I said, I was kind of exhausted, and it was pretty good. It was strong, but it was good. I liked it. So just came back to the hotel and slept. I'm just waking up and I'm about to eat. My lip. If you feel like my lip is swollen, that is because it is. Like I said, I had an allergic reaction, and usually my lip is the first thing that swells up. And last night, even though yesterday I didn't eat anything that gave me an immediate reaction, for some reason I woke up with my lips swollen. So I'm just gonna roll with it because at this point it happens so frequently. Like I don't know what to do. So we'll talk about it another time. But right now I'm gonna have breakfast. It's their Caribbean special. And it's really just some fried beef and fish and some veggies. I'm not gonna eat the veggies because veggies have been one of the things that makes me break out and have that allergic reaction. So it's I don't know if it's the vegetable itself or like the pesticide that they use and stuff. I don't know. I can't give you an answer. So please, to be on the safe side, if vegetables are not cooked, I'm not gonna eat them. So. But anyway, what else we have going on today? We have our excursion today. We're going to Flying Dutchman. What's the other thing, Perry?
I forgot what it's called.
We have some other stuff to do during the excursion. Oh, we're going to that museum too, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to like a museum. But that's later on, like around 1. You have to get there and it's like 9 a.m. right now. Or a little after 9. So baby's tired and I want to get up and go around because I know I didn't come here to sleep. But babe wants to take another nap. He always wants to take a nap. So I'm just gonna allow him to sleep and then we'll wake up and get ready to go to our excursion. So we'll bring you guys along with us. And we're gonna have a good old time.
He's crazy. He's the one that thinks Mike Jackson big.
You meet me there. It's not when you finish completely. Then you go call me.
Because we go be waiting.
But if you call me before you finish, I'm gonna be there. Because I don't know if it's 2 hours you're gonna do. Right. If it's 3 hours, so I can't tell you I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting for guests for 2 hours.
Oh wow.
Yes. I turn off my boss and then I later when my boss waiting for 2 hours. Then 2 hours he come back to me and then I bring him back. So you know, I know for why waiting for. So the 2 hours it finished.
Hello guys. So we're currently at our reservation for the Flying Dutchman and like some other stuff. What the fuck? Look at this big. What's going on? What? Yo. And he was just like in the way.
Put the spoon back in.
I wonder how many people drop their phones now.
Bruh.
I'm looking down to see if
It probably has a lot of phones.
Ain't nobody gonna grab that shit.
I'm slightly scared. Right. Okay, that's enough. Better lift your long ass up.
Yeah, not bad. Then you don't stop moving.
I don't know. Hell no. Who thought this was a good idea? And why am I a dumb bitch? For agreeing to this? Cause what? Whoa. This shit is high up. Imagine being up here for the earthquake. Bro. I don't know. Yo, I make it. I didn't die. I thought I was. That was no regular zip line, okay? Bitch was scared. Yo, oh my god. We have made it back from our excursion. The flying Dutchman was an experience. Okay? I'm not recording you.
Object.
I do. Piece of meat. Nice kind caramel glazed. You're not chocolate. What?
And all day.
But just because you're tan, that doesn't mean
Take this light skin street.
you're still not chocolate. It's okay.
Your mama called me chocolate.
When? When? She never called you chocolate because you're not chocolate. Anyway, you want to be chocolate so bad. Okay to be caramel. I like caramel frappes.
Who's calling me frappe?
It's sweet. I like it. No, not a bulla boy, a bulla man. Oh my god. Anyway, we have where the go off. We have international Caribbean. KFC. We have the goods. They have been secured. And we are tired. Okay, it was a long day. We were tired to begin with. So we're gonna eat. And then probably nap. And then find something to do tonight. So I think they have a party on the resort. Either we do that or we might just pass through to see what's going on and then go across the street. Because I want to cook up.